Good morning, guys. It's my second day in Iguazu. I'm at the hostel now, planning to go to the Brazilian side of the waterfall today. Yeah, just a bit of a lazy start to be honest. It's already like 7:30. I just met the other guy who's staying at the hostel, and yeah, he's from Finland. You know, we had a little chat. I'm gonna have the coffee. The coffee here is awesome. I really love it. I'm not a coffee person, but this coffee is awesome. And yeah, I'm vlogging on this GH5, it's super heavy, so I'm gonna put this down and have a coffee. Hey, bom dia guys, bom dia fellow travelers. It's just another day in Iguazu. It's my third day actually, and today going to the Brazilian side of the waterfalls. Apparently it's slightly shorter than the Argentinian side, so probably need like a couple of hours. I'm really excited. I might actually do a boat trip because yesterday we couldn't do a boat trip at the Argentinian side. So yeah, I'm gonna go to see the falls, and I will meet up with the other guys, the other Sri Lankan dudes I met at the hostel. In the afternoon I will go to the boat trip. Yeah, so yeah, let's get going. Right, so we have to get to this bus and ride about 5 kilometers to the entrance of the waterfall. I think I'm really close to the main viewpoint. I can see the platform from here. It's already looking epic. Really excited for the first time. So for now, I'm going to just record everything on this OSMO action. Then I will eventually take my camera because I have like almost half a day here, and this is the only main viewing point which is worth taking pictures. Yeah, super excited. Okay guys, so now on to the next part of the trip. Going to take one of these boat rides which will take you under the waterfall. So there's two types. There's one where you can just take pictures and you won't get wet. The other one you get wet, so it's not advisable to take pictures unless you have like a GoPro or like any action camera. Yeah, so that's about it, and we are in this really cool train. I think it's around a few minutes ride to this place. So yeah, really excited about this.
shapes and colors spin this kaleidoscope I'm in, and suddenly the pieces make sense. Puzzles fell apart, and I saw stories in the stars. There's so much more to find than where I've been.
Just back from the boat trip, there was a bit of misunderstanding. The guy who sold the ticket, he works here. He told you can take the dry boat and the wet boat with the same ticket, which is not exactly true. So that was one of the main reason I got the ticket. But yeah, just keep in mind if you are deciding on that factor. But yeah, it was an amazing experience. Now I'm getting back to the hostel, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, and that is it for today.